Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best 4K GPS drones for professional photography 2024. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Lenovo T6 Drone 8K Professional 4K HD GPS Camera. The drone combines 8K and 4K HD camera capabilities with GPS precision, optical flow stability, and obstacle avoidance for smooth, reliable aerial photography. This foldable quadcopter is designed for users who want powerful features like a long 10,000-meter range in a portable drone. The advantages are high-quality 8K and 4K HD camera for ultra-clear footage. Optical flow stability ensures smooth, uninterrupted shots. GPS-based obstacle avoidance for safer flights. The disadvantages are, may be challenging for beginner users. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Xiaomi new A22 Pro Drone 4K HD Dual Camera GPS. The drone features a 4K dual camera setup, GPS guidance, and obstacle avoidance technology for secure, professional quality shots. Its foldable design and Wi-Fi RC helicopter functionality make it easy to carry and ideal for both professional and recreational aerial photography. The advantages are dual 4K cameras for versatile shooting options, GPS and obstacle avoidance for precise, safe flights. Foldable and portable design for on-the-go filming. The disadvantages are limited camera stabilization options. At number 3. SJRC A22 4K Pro Drone with laser obstacle avoidance. Equipped with a 4K camera and a 2-axis EIS gimbal, the SJRC A22 4K Pro Drone captures stable, high-quality images. With GPS positioning, laser obstacle avoidance, and a 3.5 km range, this drone offers a balanced mix of functionality for professional and amateur drone pilots. The advantages are EIS gimbal for smooth, steady footage, long-range capability up to 3.5 km, laser obstacle avoidance for safer navigation. The disadvantages are limited to 2-axis stabilization. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. 2024 Drone 8K Professional GPS 3-axis Brushless Gimbal. The 2024 drone boasts an 8K camera with a 3-axis brushless gimbal for optimal stability. Its GPS, 5G connectivity, and advanced obstacle avoidance make it a top choice for high-quality aerial footage. Its design and powerful motor ensures smooth flights, even in challenging environments. The advantages are 3-axis brushless gimbal for ultra-stable shots, 8K camera for professional-grade video quality, advanced GPS and obstacle avoidance features. The disadvantages are higher price point. At number 1. A22 Pro RC Drone GPS 4K Professional. The drone is a compact but capable 4K GPS drone, featuring 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, 5G connectivity, and a brushless motor for reliable performance. Its mini size and foldable design make it easy to carry, perfect for those needing a powerful drone in a small package. The advantages are full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for safer operation, compact and portable with foldable arms, brushless motor for efficient, stable flights. The disadvantages are shorter range than larger models,